Hello, welcome to the Hard Reset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to enable safe mode on your VIVO V40 Pro phone. So the first thing we're going to do is hold the power button and the volume up button at the same time to open up this menu right here. And then we're going to hold the power off button for a few seconds. And now it's going to ask you to reboot into safe mode. You're going to click OK. And now we're just gonna wait for the safe mode to boot up. So there we go. Once your phone has restarted, you will see on the bottom left, it says safe mode. And once I unblock my phone, you will see that the apps that you have downloaded by yourself on your phone won't be available. They will be locked for you. That's basically what safe mode is. And that's about it. Thank you for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe.